Hi, it's me again. Today I will show you the very yummy snack. Look at this. I made it today. It's pork, mint, and corn. Yeah, and very easy. I will upload the how to make it later. Yeah, and have with the sweet chili sauce. Oh my goodness, so yummy. This is so good, guys. Mm. 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 Really easy to make. When preparing only 5 minutes, 10 minutes, easy. And then you got like a nugget. So it pork mint, corn, soy sauce, instant instant flour, and black pepper, teriyaki sauce. Yum. I will upload the video how to make this later. I would like you guys to try it, man. Oh, it's so good. Yummy. One more. Please try it. I put my recipe soon. See ya.